Yeah.
We saw Billy Connolly do a trip through here years and years ago on TV, and he was skipping around through them naked.
We won't traumatise you and do that, so we'll keep our clothes on.
Yeah.
It's a family show.
Yeah.
Well, Shazza, I must say, I reckon Western Australia's got the best roads by far, haven't they, in Australia?
Oh, totally. We've done every state now, and WA wins it hands down.
Victoria has by far the worst roads.
The worst.
Yeah.
Yes.
But Western Australia, they're wide.
No potholes.
No potholes.
Anyway.
And they have like a good space cleared between the road and the scrub, so you sort of got a good chance of seeing wildlife before it gets to you on the road, haven't you, you know?
Yeah, and zero rubbish. There is just nothing anywhere. Like, unbelievable. 10 marks to them as a state. It's amazing.
Yeah. So, yeah, no, their roads, even their dirt roads have been good, haven't they? Like, they've been hard and, they're good roads. They're wide, they grade them well, and, yeah, no, you have 10 marks for your roads, WA.
10 marks for everything, really, WA.
Yeah.
Can't fault it.
Yeah.
Go to WA, totally recommend it.
Yeah. Very spectacular, Shaz.
Oh, how amazing was that? We're a bit out of breath. But in fairness, that's not for the faint-hearted.
No, climbing round rocks and that out on the edge of a cliff.
Oh, I'm proud of you, Shuri. That was a mighty achievement on your part.
Well, haven't I?
Well done.
Worth the effort, but.
Oh, nature's window. It truly was nature's window. But it's quite the hike, and it's up and down
Quite
rocks.
the climb.
Yeah.
So,
But absolutely beautiful.
if you get the chance, come and have a look at it.
Yes, Kalbarri National Park, nature's window. Sure he's shaking in his boots. You can see why. Look at that. Don't look down, Shuri. Don't look down. Look out. I got Shuri out on Skywalk twice. And Nature's Window. Go Shuri.
Shaz, Shazza, wasn't that awesome?
Oh, how good was that? We just went to Nature's Window and the skywalk out over Kalbarri National Park. Wow, there's a major tick off the list. My goodness, it was amazing.
They're both really close together, so yes, worth doing.
But got to say, Nature's Window, I didn't know, I obviously didn't research it enough, but in case you haven't and you're going to go there, be aware, it's quite the climb. There's no handrails or anything, you're just clearly on the edge of a cliff, taking your own path through the rocks. So wear good hiking boots and yeah,
Make
aware.
certain your wheel's up to date before you head off.
Yeah,
Put everyone's names on the items they might want. Minnie's already got her name on a few items for when we go.
Got it all sorted.
Just missed out, Minnie, we're that close today.
Okay, so we've just left the skywalk and Nature's Window and we didn't have rain at all, and we've got in the car and 2 minutes later it is pouring. How lucky are we? Good stuff there, Jurien.
That is lucky. Those rocks would have been nice and slippery out on Nature's Window if it had rained on them.
They would be deadly.
They
So
would
remember,
be.
if you go there, wear good hiking boots because you really need good boots.
And apparently there's some really good walks round through the gorges here, but they are fairly like climbing straight up ladders, no guardrails, nothing, but they say they're well worthwhile doing, so
Yes, not for us.
no. As where have we been? Just through Kalbarri, have we?
We have. That's Cal sending me a message. Hey, Cal. Yes, we just went through Kalbarri and the national park and then the town of Kalbarri, which is beautiful. We put the drone up, but way too windy. Just, yeah, not good. So we had to put it down.
It was saying it could not come back home again, so we thought, well, you better not fly it anywhere then.
Yeah, not a good sign when the drone says can't
Pretty
come
windy
back.
when it does that.
Yeah, but looked like a nice spot, beautiful coastline, and we're going to keep on going. We've still got a bit of a drive to go to get to Jurien Bay. So
And we just we've made it to Jurien Bay, is it?
we have. It's been a big day today. We left at what, 6:30? It's
Yep.
now 6 o'clock. But we stopped at Kalbarri National Park on the way, so that made the day a bit big, but it was worth it. It's been a great day.
It has been an awesome day, it has. It's definitely worth a look at the, what is it, Nature's Window and
Yep, and the skywalk.
skywalk
Yeah,
there.
really good.
Very, very good.
We're staying in the caravan park here. We're going to have a couple of days. I think we're going to call them our seniors day and not do much at all.
And a nice quiet day or two.
Time for a bit of a rest. Yep.
So we'll bring you some shots and bits and pieces around Jurien Bay.
Yeah, see you there.
See ya.
See ya.
Shazzy, we've found some big rocks and caves.
And sand dunes. This is a pretty good spot. That's Sandy Cape Beach. Very, very nice. The sand dunes look amazing for someone that's way more fitter than I am.
And a lot of fun for the four-wheel drivers because they are
Yeah.
driving up and down and all over them. So, and they're big sand dunes, so yeah.
And as always, the beach is just beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous.
It is. And you can come and test out your four-wheel driving skills.
And your climbing skills. Yeah.
Exactly. Which we're going to do neither of those.
We'll just photograph it for
Yep.
you.
See you in a bit. Shazza down at Jurien Bay having a bit of a look around.
Flying the drone, trying to spot a seal or a dolphin or something.
There's not much on the beach down here at the moment. It's a bit chilly after coming from up north, isn't it?
Yeah, we're feeling it. We've been in the warm for so long, we're starting to notice we've lost the shorts. We're back in long pants.
Long pants, jackets, jumpers.
Long sleeves. But yeah, no, it's a lovely little spot. Tomorrow we're going to go to the Pinnacles and to a beach called Hangover Bay, and it's known for bottlenose dolphins, so we'll see if we can spot one there.
See what we find there.
Yet another awesome location in WA. Oh damn, love this state. It's so good.
This would be a must come and see, wouldn't it? The
Yeah,
Pinnacles.
Pinnacles.
Yeah.
Absolutely amazing.
Worth the drive too.
Yes. Worth the drive through as well.
See
Yeah.
you in a bit. Shazza, the love of my life, birthday girl.
Oh yeah, the old chook today. But I'm having an awesome day with Shuri, being spoilt rotten as usual. It takes me all around the country spoiling me, but we're in Jurien Bay at the moment, and we're heading to Bunbury tomorrow, and we'll be down there for 3 days. So we will catch you down there. We're having a fantastic time. It's just the best. And yeah,
A shout out to all the kids and the grandkids.
Yeah, love to all the guys. Love you all at home and up in Queensland.
See you all soon.
Bye.